everybody, welcome back to the Dot of Desserts Baking channel. I'm posting this video on November 1st, which means you are in one of two situations, most likely. Situation A, you or somebody who's close to you went trick-or-treating last night because it was Halloween yesterday and has come back with this mountain motherload of delicious Halloween treats. Hopefully most of them are vegan and gluten-free. Let's just assume that they all are. Or you're in situation B, and this morning you went to your local grocery store and ransacked all the blowout Halloween candy that you could get your paws on. Whatever situation you're in, you, my friend, are going to have a problem on your hands. Unless your mom has laid down a rule that you have to eat all of your Halloween candy in 2 weeks or else she's throwing it out. True story though, that was actually a rule when I was growing up as a kid, as well as graphing all of my Halloween candy when I got back. Weeks, maybe even months might go by and you'll still have that pesky Halloween candy and chips still hanging around. Well, let me tell you, do I have the solution to your excessive Halloween candy problem right now. Today we're doing a recipe video that does not require a baking mix. I'm just here to get creative with all of your Halloween candy. Today we are making one of my all-time favorite treats, and it's a little bit weird, but trust me, it is so freaking good. Today we're making Halloween Haul Krispies. So Halloween Haul Krispies are very similar to a regular Rice Krispie, but instead of using rice, we are using potato chips. Plain ones preferably, but please go crazy and add in any other chips that you get. I like the chips with ridges in it, but you can also use flat plain potato chips. And you're also going to throw in some gummy Halloween candies. So the first thing you're gonna do is get a large pot and you're gonna put it onto a burner on your stove and put it on the lowest heat possible. This is because we're working with vegan marshmallows. Marshmallows typically contain gelatin, so vegan marshmallows, the most widely available brand in North America, it's called Dandies. Highly recommend them, they're super delicious. The only thing is they melt kind of weird. They do not melt like regular marshmallows in a nice pillowy kind of soft goop. They melt kind of stringy and it's hard to tell when exactly they're perfect for making Rice Krispies. You kind of just have to feel it out. But I will show you visually when the time is right for you to put in your rice, aka crushed potato chips. Once it's on the lowest heat, you're going to put in some non-dairy butter. I'm just using Earth Balance right now, but you can literally use anything. It doesn't matter as long as it's not just like straight oil, as well as pour in your Dandies marshmallows. That's really it for now. You're gonna have to spend some time stirring it, making sure all the marshmallows are coated in the oil as it melts. And then you can kind of just like leave it a little bit, but don't go too far. Always keep stirring your marshmallow goop to ensure that none of it burns, because these marshmallows burn super quickly. In the interim, while you're waiting for your marshmallows to melt, you can start crushing up your potato chip bags. To make this recipe, I decided to use two types of potato chips that were both plain flavors. I used plain Lay's wavy potato chips. I used 12 of those bags that are 16 grams each, and then I used 12 regular, flat, classic, plain Lay's potato chips. What you're gonna do is you're gonna open all of these bags, you're going to crush them in your hands, because there's literally only like 5 potato chips in these bags. Like what, hold on, pause for a second. So what happened to the days when they were 50-gram bags of chips for Halloween? 16 grams? Like I literally opened one of these and had a snack and I was like, there's no chips in this. Once all your chips have been opened and crushed, you're gonna check in on your melting. If it looks like about 80% of the marshmallows have gotten soft and goopy and kind of in that weird stringy texture, you're good to go. It usually is about like 7 to 10 minutes before the marshmallows are the perfect consistency to put in for any sort of Rice Krispies or this Halloween Haul Krispie. And all you're gonna do is just pour in the chips, one bag at a time, and stir, stir, stir after about every 6 to 8 bags. And because these are indeed Halloween Haul Krispies, we can't escape all the Halloween candies. So take your favorite little mini packs of candy and throw them right in there. On another side note, again with the stinginess, I remember my Swedish berry packs growing up as a kid with like literally at least 12 to 15 Swedish berries in there. These little packs have like 6 Swedish berries. What is this? There's gonna come a point where it becomes kind of really challenging to stir it. What you're gonna do is turn off the heater. You're gonna grab your pan with parchment paper in it that is absolutely essential, and you're going to pour the potato chip mixture right on there. Take your spatula and flatten it out as best as you can. Spread it out. It does require a lot of time and perfection to get it nice and perfect, but you'll get there. And then, you know, dot the top with more Swedish berries or candy, whatever you want. And so for the moment of truth, am I absolutely bonkers for putting candy and chips and marshmallows and salt all together in one pan and calling it a dessert? Or am I simply a born genius? I'm gonna find out right now. So in a square, I've got 2 Swedish fish and Swedish fairy. Alright, let's try this. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't want to brag, but I have to say, these bars, out of this world. With the raspberry candy from the Swedish fish, they taste like a peak freen. You know peak freens, you know those little vanilla cookies with like the little white cream in the middle and the red jam. Yeah. Except the cookie. Oh man, the salty sweet combo here. I like peak freens, except the cookie is a chip. And the white cream is a marshmallow, and the red jam is candy. Overall, 10 out of 10. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching one of Dollop Desserts' original gluten-free and vegan recipe videos. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked the fact that we did a video that didn't use a baking mix, make sure you like this video, comment below, give us your feedback. We would love to hear what you have to say. If you like this video and you want to stay up to date with everything Dollop Desserts, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you stay informed and aware of all of our lovely recipes. And if you do decide to make these, and please do so and use other chips, I would love to see what the results are. Make sure you tag us at Dollop Desserts Baking if you share these photos on social media so we can see them and, you know, salivate over these potato chip Rice Krispies because they're so good. Thanks for watching.